Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to change the ad bar color in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store on the left. The themes page opens. Let's go to our theme. Click the three-dot button. A new menu appears. Click Edit Code. The theme files page opens. In Filter Files, search for base CSS. A file named base.css will appear. Click it to open our store's appearance script. All our store's styling code is here. We want to scroll to the last line, so just go to the bottom. At the last line, it's blank. We'll skip 2 lines. Next, we'll access the host2b.net website. The link is in the description along with the code we'll use. Simply click the button to copy the code. Once clicked, the code will be copied. Let's go back to Shopify and paste the code in the blank line. Then paste it to change the announcement bar color. It's simple. We'll have 2 main lines. The first line changes the bar's background color using a color code. You'll need to input the color code you want. The code starts with a hashtag, then the color code. If you're unsure of the color code, visit htlcolorcodes.com, linked in the comments. There you'll find the right color and its code to use. You'll replace here, delete the existing code, and insert the new color code. Below, we have the text color for the announcement bar. By default, I set the code to white, but you can change it to any color you want by simply entering the color name. It's set to white here, but you can erase it and type black or blue, for example. Remember to use English color names. I'll keep the default, which is white, so we'll leave it as white here. After changing the color code and text color name, just go to the top right, find the Save button and click it. Once clicked, your changes will be saved successfully. Now, when we access our store, we'll see the text and background colors of the announcement bar have changed. You've now set your desired color for the announcement bar. I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.